Hello, my lovely people, my wonderful people. You are welcome to my channel once again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends wherever you are located from. I greet you once again. You are welcome in Jesus' name. If today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, please don't fail to hit the subscription button and press the notification bell in case anytime I upload no video, you'll be the first person to notify. I thank all my supporters, my subscriber, my viewer, everyone that is supporting this channel in one way or the other. May God bless you and grant you our desire. You will never lack in life in Jesus' name. Today, let's discuss. We want to talk about the first day when you take meet man. This discussion now from ladies. Your first meeting of a man, the first day when you are man take get discussion, una one plan life. Let's discuss. Or the first day when be say man don't they approach you. Let's discuss the way forward, because many people don't use this opportunity. Who's supposed to be their husband, they don't use this opportunity because they don't know what to do at the first time. They don't use their hand to drive their husband come out, or the name of one thing or the other. But today, you know, say we are learning every day. Nobody is perfect. Let's discuss about it. You are welcome. So what I'm trying to say is that many ladies, many girls, they don't use because of money. They pursue man come up for their body. Because of money, because of recharge card, the first time, because of money, because of recharge card, or because I want to make my hair, I want to do this, I want to do that, before we can talk, or one way or the other. They don't use that miss many opportunity. They don't use that miss many opportunity. So now that discussion, because many people never know that thing. Many people, they never know that thing. They still they do one. You understand? Now that discussion, now we want to talk. This stage of people, when we want to discuss this stage of people, especially if you know, say you don't cross like, you don't reach like 28, 27 upwards. You're not supposed to they do waiting 18, 20 to 25, see they do. Yes, you're not supposed to they do one. You don't reach 27, 28, go. You don't cross 30, they go. You want to see they do waiting person when be say, you just knew no life. You just knew one day, you know, flesh life small. You want to do your own shakara small. You, now that time you say you want to do your own shakara. No, now, we're not supposed to do one like that. So this first meeting, or maybe man they approach you, or man they talk to you. Some go say, if you never send me the recharge card, I not go give you here. Some say, if you never send me money, make I take plate my hair, I know they come, or I know they give you here. Or some say, if you never do this or do that, I not go give you here. No. No, my people. No. You get stage when they talk that one. All those one be say they never know life. They never know what in life they talk. Their own made they just feel they flex, they enjoy life first. As they start, I know so nobody will never make that mistake or do that kind of thing. Maybe when you just knew they start life, send me the recharge card now, give me money, man, I take place here now, or do, or if not be that one, this or that. Yes, we know. We know that one. We understand. We know that one. So, but if you don't cross this age, you don't reach like 27, 28, 27, 28, go up. No, don't put it like that. Maybe man just see you for the first time. He just approach you, say like you. Are you dey okay? This, do that. Maybe you can exchange contacts. When you can exchange contact now, don't they talk? They talk. You know, say many men now, there's many, man, I put them that way. They try woman, especially all those men now, they don't reach to say, okay, they want to settle down. They need to check, because they don't want woman when one raise them down for house. You hear me? So they know one woman when one rape them down for house. So that they check. So maybe you and the man don't they talk, don't they talk. You go say, okay, now maybe you did different place, or I don't know, in one way or the other. You understand? Say me you pay and visit, or me you come, or more try, more see one place, more discuss. So I'm gonna say, no, if you never send me money for recharge card, not call this line again, no. Not you buy this food for me. Not just call this line again. So say if you not send me money, may I take do this one, may I take do that one. not call this line again. And you don't know discussion when you and that man get to discuss. Now to do hair or to buy the charge card, now it be your problem at that stage. Now it be your problem. If finally God do one, say that man become your own, that hair you go do one, that recharge card you go buy him. What you they find because you now you they work for, now you and your children, now you they work for. All those things when you they find, you go see him. Because what make me talk this matter, because he get one lady when we say he and one man now they just meet. The man can't just they try to ask her a question, you know. The way when he just they answer him. Me stop that question. That one they say, what be your plan? What be your plan? For instance, I say I want marry you or want you. What be your plan? Say me you don't leave that one. Which kind of nonsense be that one? What you don't get to take care of woman? No. Tomorrow fasting and prayer go start. Oh. Tomorrow fasting and prayer go start. But they don't know say. Now mistake, many mistake when they don't make. And I be that one. Many mistake when they don't make, and I be that one. Tomorrow fasting and prayer go start. You say because of a recharge card now, maybe now that one supposed to be your rightful husband. You say make he not call you again. You don't insult him. You don't tell him word when you're not supposed to tell him. Because he tell him say me send recharge. Not be say you not get money to send you that recharge card. He want check. He want try who you be. You will say no now. Forget the recharge card first. And you don't be past that one. You say you don't want to send me this. Okay, not come again. Or send me money make I do my hair. Or make I do one thing or one thing. You say leave that one. Just first come we discuss it. You say if you don't want to do not just call this line again. If they found how they do that one, now those one when they knew they grow come out when they like 2018 to that 25 as I first talk before, they go they do shakara. You know say they still get time now. Now their time. May they use them to shakara. May they use them to do waiting they their mind. Waiting please them. Waiting their mind tell them say yes, may them do. May they use them do one. But not be you. I know so many still there like that. Oh, when we say even though God know. First meeting matters a lot. First approach when come out for your mouth for the first time. Now you go determine what that man go date the reason you. Whether na woman we say na money make you they follow am, or whether you get full shot with am. Now your first approach. He go first they ask you question. And if you not use your number 6, you go just the okay. More use for example now. Talk of this man, this comedian when the one that they see for this thing comedian Bovo. She wanna see I take me that in girlfriend, that wife now when you want marry so. See that girl no use her brain now. You see if you not send me money, now they come. If you not do this one, now they come. If you not do that one, now they come. You should not see different way when you try the game. And to God be the glory, the girl no, you know fail. Now you can say, this one a wife material. He use him man talker. He said this one, now he want settle with. Because the girl not first start with money. If you not send me money, I not go come. If you not do this one, I not go come. Even when you don't use all those things, okay, to see if now waiting, the now material things the girl thereafter, the girl not for put. But tomorrow now, if God do one now, tomorrow now they marry. Who go enjoy all those things now for the house? Not be the girl. Patient! Patient dog, he the fattest ball. Patient, not that the patient. When I know they use money, they drive people when they call now way come on. When I don't use recharge card or one way or the other. Material things. When you know say tomorrow the thing don't fade. What you go chop today? Even though na 100,000 give you, even though na 1 million I give you, you go say you know see na this one na money. If this one continue to dey chop this thing like this, I'm not sure how I will go front. I'm not sure how I will go front. No, they use material things. To use material things, they drive your person when supposed to be your own. These things remind me of waiting. That time, when would they grow, they come. Waiting church when we go, wetin one pastor they do preaching. He say some lady, now there be the problem of their self. But every day, deliverance, deliverance, deliverance. He said this lady, none of us kata. He said this lady, he say, na, you know, na a church member. When we say, yes, this lady, this girl, they come church, they serve God. Not those people when they choir, they obedient as in, you know, the way they play for inside church. Say, she's trying. He say, conscience, say, this lady don't reach to marry. Anytime when they say, people will never marry, when they look for this, that, come out, she will come out. They go do prayer. That year, the other year, all that's when come out, they don't marry. But you know, they marry. And now she they could pass, now she they submissive pass, now she they come church pass, now she they do, in fact, the way they do things, it's supposed to be the first person when we say, maybe all those men go the Russian first. You see, because what did they happen? What did be the problem? What did they happen? Why you never marry? You don't reach to marry, you don't cross 30, they go. You don't they go far. What did they happen? The lady saying, no, why I never marry. This pastor can't see the way they do. One of the person when they uptown, he can't call him. Now the pastor cousin. Now he call him. He saying they come home. He say if he come now to marry. Now he want come marry. He want marry. He want marry now. Now he come tell us, say, you don't see who you want marry. The pastor come ask him. He say no, if he come, you know say before you walk around, he don't use one. They see maybe get where he say he go like, he go just marry her first before he come out. Understand all those kind of things. Now the pastor come say no bother to find. He don't get better girl. Better girl. When we say this girl, he dey come church, he sabi pray, everything when man they find. You deal with this girl and she's beautiful. No bother yourself. Now a church member, and be this girl. If you come, you will tango. You will first see him, you will tango talk. The boy comes, because now man will be saying they respect, now pastor and I still uncle. You understand? Because okay, no problem, no need to put myself if I come out, they fine. Okay, at the console so time. He can't say no wala. He can't tell the girl down. He can't tell the girl say, he too like you. The way you do for this church, he too like you. See one of my cousin, he they come from uptown, and see if he come, he they find woman when he want marry. He don't tell him he not bother himself. He get person. So you just put her in prayer. You just get her for mind. Say yes, see. The girl can say, "Oh, thank God, glory be to God." You understand? So now the girl can they wait. It's not too long. The guy can't come. Not be say it take years or no. Now within the year when the guy want to come, when they discuss, when he can't come, and he drive direct go. Your uncle that is the pastor has come tell us say he don't arrive. I don't come tell us say because who be this girl when you tell us say the way you tell they talk of him. If you tell they talk for phone, say that you remember this. Cause okay, he go call the girl, make una see. You understand? Now the guy comes okay. He can't call the girl say the don't arrive can go the two of them can go talk. Now the guy comes okay say make two of them go out. She understand? Make them know each other well because now two of them never they talk. They don't know each other. As in they need to know each other now. They need to hang out, know each other. You understand? So now two of them go out. When two of them go out now, the guy goes, okay, maybe they just enter all this fast food. You know, this fast food, not be all those road food, like maybe let's say GT, all those GT Plaza, whatever. Just maybe they just enter one kind of fast food like that. They just enter. The guy asks and say, what he wants. People know they use their brain. They know they use their brain. Now material things be their problem. Now he can ask and say, what you want? Now he can't say, he need this one, he need this one. Now the guy say, oh yeah, man, I'll give him. As soon as I give him, I still give me. Two of them come, you know. Two of them come sit down. They come, they, you know, as they eat, they discuss your name, you know, all those things. They know themselves, what you don't do, all those kind. They just they discuss. Now, not as the discussion they be now. They just the gist for the first time now because the girl was so excited that finally, person, and this person when even cannot be kwekwe, she understand person don't come. The guy said even they have say finally this lady is beautiful. If as our pastor, the pastor tell describe her and so it be wetin go make am go dey find another woman. Two of them call they talk. But I see where the girl for fool herself. Oh, make her not to talk too much for this girl matter, because I get many matter to discuss. So now they can't do that. They can't eat. They don't eat finish. Oh, the guy say he need take away. Oh, he need take away. The guy say okay. The guy was hoping that it's only her own take away. Now she needs. It's okay. Oh yeah, order for your take away. The girl go where they for the take food order all those counter. Go there. You see food where this girl pack. He pack all the food for the family. He pack all the food for the family. Person when you first meet for the first time, you not use your brain. As soon as don't eat finish for that one, or if na ice cream on a lick, if na drink on a take, if na anything one and also na chop. Even the guy said, if na the guy say okay, will you take something home before you say okay? You go say they shine now for that first time now. If it's okay, oh yeah, give me if na one plate of rice or anything. If you even say no, I'm okay. You need to know the guy better. After that will not be problem. You can even go home and use that money to cook better food. Put for house, give her. All those ones matters a lot. It matters a lot. So the guy can't go. He order 6 takeaway for rice. Now so he carry ice cream. Now so he carry meat pie. Now so he carry everything, meat, everything when they there. He order. The guy was like looking at her. He said, I'll give my mama one. I'll give my papa one. My remaining 4, my brothers and my sister when they ask. That's why I order and 6. So all those meat pies, I tell you that for them, just put them on top of them. You order. And that fast food, now very expensive fast food. The guy not talk. He not talk. He just say, okay, fine. Are you okay? Say yes. Don't order everything. Pack and they use back. Pack and put that for him. You don't order everything. Finish. Say, are you okay? Say yes. Now the guy comes, okay, no problem. The guy can't pay. The guy not talk. He not talk. He play maturity there. Now the guy pay put. Now he drive the girl. The girl go house. He can't go in your house. After that place, the girl can't they call. Maybe you don't reach out. The guy not pick. But the girl never bother. He will say maybe he still get visitor. You know who come from uptown and people go they call they pay a visit, all those kind thing. Now that uncle, that is the pastor. The next day come say he can't say me he come. You don't see the girl as 2 of na waka come out. How you see the girl? He come say I don't know say you don't like me. Now the man of God come say why you talk like that? He say he if I tell you what that girl do for where we go today. If I tell you what this girl do for where we go, you no go believe her. Lay as soon as we dey go na small money. Now Joe was okay. Now only waiting me with I want just take chop for the table. This girl be don't disgrace me. If you see food where this girl order, money when you pay not be small thing. Not be small thing. Now the man comes he say no. If I tell you as we take the suffer for that uptime, you no go believe him. This guy one, he never enter house. He don't the order for mama, papa, all the family. If you can't enter house and call, what thing you go do? What thing you go do? He no one time I beg. He tell you say I see they come, he want come find better wife. He no one come find who want wreck him or who want bring him down. Not be waiting he want come find. He can say, I say yes so. Hey, so Kotori ba. Now he can say, Pastor, me I don't want again. I don't want again. All these kind church goer people, all these pretender, he don't want again. It's better than the one when he find by himself. He understand them. He know say that he find out by himself. Not be the one when go pretend come church. Now only church for the see him. You don't know what they do for outside because the way this girl they play today, he not play like who be real Christians you describe him. He not play like that. He not play. She not play like that. Now they can say, oh. Now the man can say, okay, oh, he not fit force you. Put for waiting you know want. Now they can rest you. This girl come dey call am. The boy come dey ignore. You know say when person don dey ignore you, you go know say they ignore you. You go know without being told. You go know say this person dey ignore me, even though he not tell you say they ignore you. You go know. Now the pastor can't call the girl. He can't call like, come say make he come. Oh, now he come. He can't tell her say you be the problem of yourself. The girl can say, Daddy, why? Why do you say so? He say, now he make every day me I dey waste my prayer for you for deliverance for you. If now maybe na so me they talk as you find rich like this. You there, you as you they do the serve God, they do everything like this. Why your own case can't be different? So chom, you don't feel control your mouth first. Me you enter this better home when you be don't keep that for you. You can't say because you want buy for your mama, buy for papa, buy for your brothers. Even when this boy never come, your parents not they eat before. They know they eat. Because they see oh, you say you not want, you not they interested. Say you be one disgrace son. If not, be say you carry money go. As you because you tell us say you need take away, say okay, may you take. Hope you say not only your own you want take. When you don't get up, they carry big giver. They take away when you take, you can't they look. See, say what you hotter. He pass a power, but now God now come help him. You see him? First meeting matters a lot. That girl can't drive that boy, do it. He drive and come out. All the name of. He want tell people now say, yes, my who want marry me come from abroad. Everything one will chop. I order and come for now. This one is small. I just use and tell and say, Mona afraid they work this way. Anytime one will take go out. Now so go can come give you now. No, now. It's not fair. Use your akoluche. Use your number 6. You not be small picking again. You not be 18 again. You not be 20 again when you go to do that kind of thing. If for those ones they do that kind of thing, we will understand no matter anything. Because men nowadays, make I tell you now fresh flower that they find no flower when they do peke. Especially if that flower don't they sleep small. Any small thing when you do your own don't finish. They will start they go. Your own don't finish. But if you be fresh flower that you think when you and you are tap your body, you know, that's they'll say this one a small girl. They tolerate and they'll not say a small girl, you never get sense. If you don't they get sense. But if you don't mature, you can't do that kind of thing, they know say this one na foolishness the warrior. This one not be say this one never get sense. Not be say this one never get sense. That's all the matter is. Many people don't use because of money, recharge card, material things, drive who's supposed to be their husband for the first time. Because as all those one not give them what they want, they say go. Now be say you not go fit take care of me. No, don't be that one. And sometimes you will see all those people say when even do that one for you, when first do one for you. Now to find waiting there under your skirt, at the end they're not serious. Yes. You suppose not would say this one now serious and the way they talk now serious now in do. This one not be to chop and run. The one where be saying now to chop and run. If you tell us say you need motor, you get the money because you must chop that thing when they find for them. You go buy it for you if you get the money. You go buy it for you because you know say so far me I don't go there so that make I see until they talk they tell the word say that girl one and they see say na high class girl. Mona forget time. Forget time, no level. No level. But the one when one put you for us, when one study you, he go get the money. We never see us sometimes maybe say some big men, some men when get money, some guys when get money, if they want go marry, if they want find the better wife, not be saying that because of old movies or whatever, they go dress rough. Because they know if they dress, you go find everybody they find food when don't finish because they don't want cook. They don't want waste time they cook beans. They don't say beans they had before it done. Then they find one don't finish make they just the chop am. And that they punch belly. Una understands? That now they punch belly where. Now so they will dress rough, dress with rag, dress with all those things. They will enter that village, enter anywhere, they will enter there. They will enter there. If they can't enter there, they will come, they approach, they find. The one when will take them the way they be. They'll say, okay, as I dress rag like this, now this one I accept me. This one I want. This one not look money. Say, see now, oh, this one get anything. And this one I want. They'll go see that one now when say, ah, this one, I go take them, or even though you not get, I go take them. When you don't come, I say, now you say this person pretends come. Oh. This person get everything. He get all these things. Now he pretend dress rag. People even they do this. They look at them. Now this kind when you want follow. Now so life be. When I not carry money, go front. You not compulsory say who fair meet, who fair approach you, you must marry him. But just exercise patience. May you see what he want talk. May you see what he wants. If what he wants, your spirit not rhyme with what he wants, it not be compulsory. You will say no, not be rude one. No, I'm not interested. Simple as ABCD. Simple as ABCD. Now understand. Not be you know say okay, this person be one time, but now because you like him, you like the way they do. Now because he not give me money for the charge card, or now because he not give me money to make my hair, or now because he not give me money to buy waiting me I want buy when I want to do a big hair. Now if you say no level for him, may you not call my number again. You don't know whether they use all those things, they test you. May you see if tomorrow he not get money again, whether you go feel get patient with him, or whether you go feel build with them, or whether you know in one way or the other. Because if you use money, I always tell people this thing. If you use money to love person, you say now because of money, not use one thing, say now because of this thing, now I love this thing, this person. You use money. Tomorrow, because when marry fake, nobody knows tomorrow. We know they pay for all those things. Tomorrow, say maybe the man not want to get again. You go wrong, you say, after all, you know even they see money till they buy what I want to. Me, I don't feel beard with them. Because you know why? You start with material things. You use because of money when you they do all those material things, they do slave queen, big mama, big lady, they start. And at the end now, you don't use all those things, they wreck demand down, or not you reckon down, or in one way or the other, money not the demand side. You not go fit stay. But if you go because of love, you love them with all your heart, all your soul, all your spirit. You love them. Even though you get, you not get. Gary una see, una go soak. Una go do life small. One day, una day go break. One day, una day go break, oh. Una day go break one day. Una day go break. Una dey patient. I beg. I beg the ladies. The mature ladies. I know they talk of the one when never ready for life. If their time come, they go ready. Yes. You when no say time don't they go. I know say God's time is the best. Many of them, they not do all those things, so but things still get as it be for one side. But someone be say that because of material things, that they do all those things. At the end, we work at Chenya, when you're many. And yama you a member. You remember when you were member. They will just they think what they do before they say, oh, when me start this so person, be they say, you are not just giving face. When me say, nah, me come they come church every day for prayer or for deliverance or for one thing. Now me just come they come church now. Now me just come they now me my mate one come they use as topic of discussion. You know some pain when sometimes you will get the pain when we say all your friends, all of them don't settle for life. They don't settle. Even the one where issue, even the one where not issue. At the end, they go they pay their visit. They go they use no they say, hey, they do fine, get the gun, and I know. They go they laugh you indirectly. Some go even they say, I wait till you they wait. You never see do get finish. You know say that time you go they think now. You go to see all this. Me that they feel they approach that time when we they do get the wakao. You now this one now you going to laugh me again now. Now so that is life. Not be who get today, not be they get tomorrow. Who get today, not be they get tomorrow. They use their brain where? They use them. It get where you go do get rich finish. You will say, this girl when I they do, this girl don't they tire me. Oh. Me, I need to settle down. Money or no money, make I settle down. That's all the matter. I see him. That's all the matter. I see him. They do nose like this, even though they're not driving come out for their house with their character. Maybe if you come their house before, because all these things, me and they talk. Anything when they carry, they talk. I know they carry, they come say make I talk because I want talk. Oh. Now waiting I see and I waiting I experience. Now I think they talk. Oh. Me know they carry say make I talk because I want talk. I'm talking out of experience because I know say some people did that shoe when we say they never know. Say all these things when they do, see as they be. If you be say people see they deceive them, or if you be say themselves not know say what they do self, say na bad thing, they will say maybe what they do, it they right. By the time when all your friends don't marry finish, you will there be the gist before they laugh, before they do one thing or the other before. You carry go to their house now, their husband house. You will go today, they will welcome you well. You will go tomorrow, they will welcome you well. The next day, now question they want to bath you. Indirect question. When you see the way you never do get finish, as you find like this, what did they happen, sef? You not go pray, you not go ask what did they happen. You not go use water to bath. They go they throw you all those kind, and you will say a joke, and I'm gonna say, hey, more forget him. If you reach as a reason them. Before you carry all those words they talk, they talk them. Say, you know, see, I don't mind now. You just fine for nothing. Time when boys they floor, they run, they follow. It is say be nothing they happen. Now see all of us, we don't marry finish. You see there they do get they go. They go insult you. That time, me, I want talk this story. Person do this thing to me. Make I tell now. That time, if not say me, I don't reach to marry, say maybe I never marry. This thing when they talk now, I don't take. One of my friend like that. Not be saying I marry, oh. A guy just give am belle. Now he born, now they just start life. Not be saying they don't do marriage or they don't do anything, oh. And they go there, they greet them. I go, they greet them. Not be all the time. The day when I know I not go work, I not go anywhere. If the lady, you know, they can't greet person again, I say, okay, weekend, I go come. I know they go anywhere. I go come. You understand? One of faithful day, I don't know say job by the talk and say, you know, can't greet me. You know, say to me, don't say me go come. And definitely, me na person will be say, if I say I go do something, and they like to do it, I know they like to disappoint person. If I say I not go see chance, I'll tell you say I not go see chance. Now so my own life day. I they do my own straightforward. I not sabi all those cunning life. I not want them. Now I carry go greet the girl. I go greet her. I reach there. We just there outside though. You know that's all those passengers they be for home now. We just there outside. We just the gist they greet. It never even reach 5 minutes. I just come. Your husband just come back for work. Your husband just come back for work. You know what the girl. Because okay, my husband just come back. Oh, that's okay. Me just go inside. Me go attend to your husband. They never even enter inside house. Oh, they just did that passage when your husband did the work. How many times I don't tell you? The man just talk a whole house so that make a year. You know write them again. Now there I begin to they use my akoluche. I begin to they use my sense. How many times I don't tell you? Say now who marry? Now person when marry and person when marry. Now they do friends. Person when be say he never marry. Now he who never marry. Now they do friend. How many times I don't tell you for this house? He has so pa. It don't happen. This one. If you don't they tell this woman and he can't they see me, you say, you know they can't greet person. Now even they ask me, no, can't greet person. And your husband don't they tell and say, you know one see person when be say never marry for a house again. Now say before they will pour hot water for my body. I just calm as if I not hear waiting they talk. I just feel calm my spirit. I just wait like 2 seconds. I just say, I want go. I just from outside tell her say, me, I want go. You understand? Because you just dey come, I just wait for me, I give her food. I say, no, they attend to your husband. And the next time I go come. Next time I go come, no worry. Now I can't go. I can't go. As I can't go, I dey think, I dey reason this matter. I dey think this matter. I say, God, now me this man through maths give like this. I be not be me throw this maths give. I say, let me not fit think this matter. I go meet one of my girlfriend. I go tell her, say, see you. Because that my girlfriend still know that all of us now just still friend like that. I go meet her, say, come on. I go the other of our friend has the other day. See what when your husband talk. You know what in that word mean? He say, you don't know. I say, no, be I don't know. May not be like, say, I the judge her in the wrong way. I'll see what may you see explain to me. That is what me I come. He say, no go there again, no. He say, I see me don't tell her, he too no go there again. He say, before the man shun her for passage like that, when he never enter house, maybe he don't tell her, say, he no want me they see us for there again. Maybe not let the girl talk. Now the girl will see us say, I will not come my house again. What did they happen? I they pursue now. Since when I go my husband's house, and I know they can't greet me all those kind of talk. He say, now what did the man use me? No, he don't tell her, say me he cut us off. So as we never marry, as we never dey my house, may he cut us off. Now what he use me? Now say, I know. Me, I understand. Perfectly, I understand. But I just say make I still can't tell you. Ma let you know, say, see what in they play. Since then, I know they keep enemy with the man. I know they keep enemy. I know they keep enemy with the woman. Nothing. But me, I don't let the woman know say, I know say the woman, maybe he know say me I hear. But me, I don't ask. I don't ask him. Anytime when you see me, hey, you don't reach 5 months now. You know they come my house again. If you say they come my house, I say, I beg me, I not there so. He say, what did they happen? You don't change. I say, I don't change character. I dey busy with my work. I beg. Go your house. I don't need problem. I don't need problem. What did they happen? I say nothing. If I see her for outside, I'll greet her well. Not they tell me, say, man, I know they come your house. No. Until when the man jam me one day, be like say he don't notice where. He can't jam me after he don't reach like 1 year plus. He can't say, I know they see you again. No, you did this time again. Now say, you know say we whenever marry, we they hide our heads. Yes. I mean tell him. You know say we whenever marry, we they hide our heads. Cause me, I don't need this sauce for body. He said, no. Okay, that day, no. In your person just get quarrel for outside with the annoyance when you take on house, now you take face your wife, they talk like that. No, now you not good person now. Now say, no, you not think am. Let us you say you think am, say me na good person, as you take talk am. You for not talk, say, who marry? Who marry and who marry? Now they waka. Who never marry and who never marry? Now they waka. You for not talk, you don't say make I not verse. Man, I say, no, me I not the verse. Me just say you say me not fit come your house because I never marry. But if me don't marry, me go dey come. Your wife na my. Now I tell her say me I know the verse. I know the verse. Me I not just verse. Not be say me I the verse for you. But me I never marry. She understand because according to your words now you talk am. Because you tell your wife say who marry and who marry na in the waka. Who never marry and who never marry na in the waka. Me and your wife na friend now before you with her come dey marry. She understand. Me, I know they keep enemy with her. If I see her, they greet her, you know, they laugh, they gist for outside. You understand? But if me don't marry, me go they come your house that time. You understand? You can't say no, say man, forget that one. Make I leave that one. So why I carry all this topic come be say? Because you get where you they reach. Your friend go they use indirect, they throw words give you. So don't let because of money or material things. If you know wetin go give you joy, because everybody know wetin they give am joy. If you know wetin they give you joy, wetin go make you happy for life, do am first. Money is not everything. Not put money first in the front of man. Not put material things first in the front of man. Because if you put all those things first, you put them first, they'll say, this one, this lady is after money. He's after money. Many people don't use that drive their rightful husband. They don't use that drive who suppose do good things for them for life. They don't use that drive them through away. Now those your friends, now you go start to them. They say no mind no more. And because he always they demand big money, now he make everybody they run for him. If people say no be true, sha, But all these things put her into practice. Because we, person know they no finish. We don't know finish. Nobody know where problem for they come. But to play your own part and leave the rest for God. Play your own part and be prayerful. That is it. Play your own part. Don't put money, because the guy he was doing, when the man was asking him question, it was like I don't care attitude. The man can say, you see him, say, what can you say, you see him? Now so see, and I be like, and so that they miss the opportunity. Now so that they miss him. You go, they fake, they go, they fake, nyash, they go. That beauty, you go get where you go reach. Oh, party. You understand? Do what is right at the right time, so that your friends, people that is around you, will not laugh you. Yes, will not say you not see him. Oh, he made don't marry finish. Now so boyfriend he want they do, because he they find money, they find big man, he they find who don't make him, he they find food when don't done. You know what follow cook. You know what make a person cook together, make them eat them together. He they find one when don't done. All those your friends when go they clap and follow you, now then go they back, they say, not mine now. She's a useless somebody. She never ready for life. You never know anything. May just dead that they do fine get the go now. My ladies, I beg. More they try our best. More not they put money first. The first meeting, you and man, not go there, go declare everyone ahead. If now you say me you take the one you say me you take. You get the one you go even say me you take sometimes. You go check out whether if they use and they try your intelligence. You go tell them say, leave them, I'm okay. That not me say if they're hungry. If you reach your house, carry small money, arrange food when you want to eat. As you stay hungry, you cook them. Your belly no go come outside and say, hey, you know, see, and Gary give me chop today. No. Now the one when you get, now you go chop. The one when you get, now you go chop. You understand? Now the matter now carry come today. Oh, they use our heads. More not they use our hand, they pursue who's supposed to be our suitor. They use our hand all because of we need recharge card, we need money for hair, we need material things. No. When you never see that person, the one when you get, you know they do for yourself. You they do. If you see money, you maintain yourself, you do hair, you do whatever you want to do. More not they put everything, say, if this person when I first meet, you not do all these things finish. Now be say, you not ready. No. Only waiting you go do, watch am. Whether a better person for you. Not watch am because say either you get money, not get money. But if you see what you they feed you, you know they chop, on they belly full. Small. This one bring, this one bring. They say if this one, what this one, this one, what this one. The hand don't clean. If only one hand now, they use only one, they wash like this. You know they clean. Maybe all those by day, yeah, soup they decide. You know they clean finish. But if I come add this one, John, I do one like this, do one like this. Once I put small water, I don't do PM, it don't clean. But because say now only one, and you they try to do one like this and soup they all this place. Only you they put up for water, they do one like this, they do one like this. It go take you time before you clean where. But if not two, this one do like this, before you know, you don't clean. Now so life, now so it be oh. Life na jejeje. Now so the life when we see so, now so it be. Now ladies, now I carry this message give. Because of waiting I see, now I make me carry this topic come out. The girl not ready. He not ready. Because her body still the tell and say she's beautiful, she's still day young or one thing. So if you know say yes, you day young, but not be say you day 28 or you day 30 or you day 40 or you day 50 or whatever, say you not day young. No, you day young. We not the talk of that one. But now you know what you want for your mind. Now you know what you want. Now you know. But not let because say that because of money, make people not come talk am. Say you not see later people they call you well. But the first time if they use money or recharge card or attitude or one way or the other, they pursue them. Now make them not the fee stay. No, not let them see that error. But if you never come your way, nobody when God say you not go marry. Everybody get a bone of a bone. No matter how age when you reach, you must find your husband. No matter how ugly when you be, you go find your husband. No matter anyhow when you be, when God say your time don't reach to find your husband, you go find him. You go find him, or your husband will find you. Now so the matter reach. Now so you reach, you not pass like that. When we use our head there, more they use them, more they use them where. We know they learn material things, they drive us out. They weigh us down. We must do what others do. Some people, they forge. What did they not do for them? They say they do for them. Because you know why I talk even this forge, when some people that they forge, it don't put many people for problem. Oh. Big problem. Some go waiting the man not give them. You will say the man give them. You go say, hey, you go to die for you. You not see, you not see this, you not see Pangele when I do, you not fit do anything. Watch before you talk. I know say some that they take care of them, but watch before you talk. Many ladies lies. Oga, Ojuono, lies just for their mouths. That's how one woman a carry come. He go meet one woman. He tell her say, how much your husband they give you money till they go market. The woman go say, your husband they give her money on 1,000. Now they give him when they go market. He say, no wonder your children do paka like this. You know they see this. He say, hey, you know say na Okada right there. He say money not there before you balance. Do this one, money not there. He said, now you know, money there, this one, you know, all those kind of talk. That one go, they carry problem or the other, they give your husband every day. So one day now, he comes okay. He say, if you see house, you know how much my husband they give me, it comes okay. One day now, he can't carry again, he go in house. He go to the woman house, go greet him. He not tell her, say, they come, he just go. As he reach there, he meet the children for the month where they cry. They cry. He comes out, say, children, what are they crying? What did they happen? They say, since morning, they never eat. Their mom never give them food. Then he comes to me, they not talking because una mama talk, say, una they eat food, they throw away, food they waste for una house. And that time when you take go, say that time, towards the evening time. And the children say they never eat since morning food. Then he enter us, well, no, mama. He come in, why your children, they just there outside, they cry. They say they never eat since. He not mind them. He not mind them. He goes, okay, oh yeah, come out. He come call the show, oh yeah, give the food. Now, so they say now hungry, they want to make put them. He just they look bad. He say anything not there this house. He goes, you want to say every week, your husband they give you big money till they do soup. Why money not go there, food not go there, even though not Gary to give them. He say, leave all those things now. He goes, that's what you be. You be one drive me come up for husband house. You be one drive me so. I don't know say me, I even better pass you. No how when be say me, my children don't go see food and not get Gary for us to so give them. Let them drink. You not even Gary or remember on. You know the distance. Say from that day, he reach out tell your husband I better no verse. He be don't use his character. Everything. He be don't they conclude. I see you want to pack or more. Say I be saying I suffer in day. No kuna they watch Be una they watch oh. People lies. Package. There's a big package lies. They go to school. They can't graduate. Put for lies. They go to school. They can't graduate. Put for the lies. One of them be careful. Young ladies, women, everybody, be very, very careful. You see man want marry you because you see say your girl, he say your girlfriend say that boy when they talk to her, now he can't give her this iPhone, enemy. You can say because that one not fit buy you iPhone. Now lie you, whereas now he don't go use the money when they gather or his service when they gather, he don't go use and buy. To deceive you, to cover your face. Learn how to be contented with what you have. Appreciate what you get. Person give you 1 naira, appreciate them because who give you 1 naira, you appreciate them. If you get 2 naira tomorrow, now he go give you. But if you get 1 naira, you not appreciate them. If you get next time, he can never give you. You say because you be person wey no dey appreciate little thing. He no go give you. He no go give you. That is life. That's how I want to end this story. Because if we start to talk this story now, because it dey happen since. If we start to talk, and we no go come out for here. We no go come out. So now, so me want to end this story today. All these things when we talk, we put into practice. People when not know, people know. People when not see know. When you say, okay, I don't know, say I saw this thing. When you watch the video, you will say, okay, see, okay, now you will sit down, you will reason. You will say, okay, now here for the main mistake. Nobody know I finish. Even me when they talk, I don't know I finish. Nobody is perfect. We are learning every day. We dey learn every day. I beg, ladies. I beg. Heaven help those who help themselves. When I not use material things, they drive on a rightful husband. Better man when they come on way. When one settle with now. If you dey find boyfriends 20 a day, you go see him. 20 boyfriend a day, you go see him. But your husband, and so I talk and reach. Now well done. Now do where I want to watch this video. As many will come across to this video to watch this video, God bless all of now. Mona the support on our sister. In this video, we do cooking, we do talk like this. So we not know and finish. We dey learn every day. Mona try to dey watch video. In case anytime Mona dey watch and Mona subscribe. Anytime new topic or good things come like this, you be the first person to notify. Say yes, this person is there online or see story when you don't carry come out again. You understand? So that from there you pick one, pick two. The one will not let you pick, still leave them. I not say if what I talk, he let you pick. Pick them, you use and sit and work. But if it's not still let you pick, still leave them. More than not get hatred for me or get babele for me. Say see what when I talk because we dey learn. Even me when they here, I dey learn. If I see who tell me what, he let me pick, I pick. If you not let me pick, I leave. And that not me say I get babele for the person because you tell me what, say the what the guy be. No. Now understand. So with the learn, if you see you will put that into practice. Okay, make I do one like this, make I do one like this. Man, see, say if I do one like this, whether everything go dey okay. Sure you understand? Una do well. God bless all of una. Bless una family. Anything one they find, God go do one for now. God go grant una all desire. Ladies will never marry. This year not go pass on a bike. Una go marry in Jesus' name. Anything one they find for life, una go see them. Who ready to marry? Who never ready to marry? What you see say now you see they find. God will still bless you because now what person they find, now God they bless and give. Because God know everybody has desire. Me I not feel know what you they find. You not feel know what me I they find. So everybody know what he or she they find. May God bless una as now watch this video. Una not go lack in Jesus' name. I want to subscribe for this video. Press thumbs up. Do one thing or the other. Support this video in one way or the other. That how we never know poverty. Una not go pass road the day when bad thing dey road. Because Ogumagala, I was okay, Nigeria. Now bye for now.